it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a car mount, I highly recommend this one. It is so easy to put together and so useful afterwards. This is by Scosche. This magic mount is so perfect for holding heavy phones and not dropping my phone. I love that even when I'm driving, my phone is secure. The stick grip suction base is so sturdy that it takes a lot of effort just to remove it, but with some force you can remove it, reuse it. You can put it on your window and it's sturdy, or you can put it on your dashboard. So if you want to do it for a little bit on your dashboard, say a month or two, or you want to change your cars, it is reusable. I also like this collapsible phone grip, which means I can use it with my pop socket. You can set that in there and it has a nice secure place for it. It also holds the magic plate that it comes with, and it comes with a cleaning wipe, and it is very sturdy. This was easy to install, and once it's installed, it's nice. You can rotate it, you can adjust it with this lock nut twist to secure the direction you want. It also has this 360-degree head that you can rotate it in the direction that you need. I love how it works. I love how everyone in my family can use it. It's great for multiple phones, and with this magnetic plate, it is sturdy. So if you're looking to have an organization system in your car or have your phone in a secure place, I'd highly recommend this. It works so great for us. It's a great product that was well made. We love it, but that's just my point of view.